Hi, this is BTC Brandon from BTC Miami, and I'm here with Joel Bosh with IO Digital.
Hey, my friend, nice to meet you.
Good
I'm
to meet
excited.
you.
I'm excited to be here, and tomorrow we're going to be doing a really nice announcement.
Okay. All right. Well, let's talk about your project here.
Sure.
Okay. So this is your core blockchain.
Yes, IOCoin. We started our project in 2014. It's basically a whole bunch of developers that came together. I was one of the founders of the whole entire idea. It was basically to make a cryptocurrency where we could also push the boundaries of blockchain. We couldn't do it on Bitcoin, so we had to at least try, and launching this idea that we had, which is IOCoin. At the end of the day, IOCoin was a user-friendly cryptocurrency. We wanted to build an ecosystem around it, and within that ecosystem, we wanted to, at some point, bring messaging, identity storage, and encrypted storage. And it started like an idea, but after 3 years of work, we started in 2014. We started proof of work. We went to proof of stake because we always knew that proof of stake for us was going to be the winner in terms of securing the blockchain. So that was all successful. And then we started working on Dions, which is this that we're looking at. And in 2017 we launched, and it was a complete success. So we had an amazing launch in terms of upgrading the blockchain, and we were able to add identity storage, encrypted messaging, and encrypted document and file storage.
Excellent. And you've developed an API to connect various applications and business opportunities. You've got games that are already being developed for the platform. And I noticed one thing here, you've got Unity, the Unity engine, and there are special libraries or something that are able to be imported into the blockchain directly?
So what we did was we actually, basically this right here was only for users within their wallet system of IOCoin. We actually then developed the API to allow third-party developers to come in and utilize these services that are on the chain or integrate the coin into business applications. So after we released the API, we had switching brains that came to us and said, look, we have this game called Usagi Panzer, and we would like to utilize IOCoin within the game and store gamer data. So we built the API, and they were able to connect. Currently, they're developing, and we should see the first draft, of the game possibly at the end of this year. So they're using the Unity 3D engine. So we also released a gaming package for that. So developers in Unity 3D, you guys can download today. It's readily available. The package where you can connect your idea, your game, and utilize IOCoin as a mechanism of payment within the game, or if you want to store the gamer data, or if you want your game to have encrypted messaging, they can use it within the IOCoin blockchain integrated into the game.
That's fantastic. Okay, so as I understand it, you have a pretty big announcement coming up.
Yes.
And why don't you tell us a little bit about Chameleon and what a molecular ledger is?
Okay, yeah, absolutely. Well, back in 2014, a lot of people thought we were a little bit, on the edge of crazy because we were talking about proof of stake, and everybody was pushing proof of work, which is excellent, But proof of stake to us was kind of like the future. We see Teslas right now; they're running on battery. So I have a Tesla. I want to see the day where it's securing blockchain or it's securing ledger, and payments are going from car to car or messaging. This is why we build this platform. We're now looking to try to integrate that. But there is a problem that we've been talking about, and it's scalability. When you have a blockchain, right, you have blocks, and it's piling up, and it's going up to 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, possibly now with Ethereum. So we said, okay, back in 2015, we said we have to come up with some type of solution for scalability, and that's where Chameleon, the idea of Chameleon came. So Chameleon will be a graph-based entropy molecular ledger. It basically means that it's an upgrade to what we think of a blockchain. People don't have to sync all the blocks because there is no blocks over here. We are calling them atoms, and inside of the atoms. So inside of the atom, we're going to have the hash, the input, the output, but we're going to have the ledger itself. It's going to be, AI-based when it does all the transactions. So we believe we're going to be able to scale a lot better. Payments in the ledger will be much, much faster so that we can do millions of payments throughout the day. And we're going to integrate that to IOCoin so that people in Chameleon can use these services and back and forth.
Excellent.
It's also a protocol, so if any other blockchain cryptocurrency would like to send or enable smart contracts, they don't have to do it on their blockchain. They can just do a call to Chameleon and send that enable that smart contract, and then within that, they can, put their own rules and stuff like that. There will be a 3-step to those smart contracts so that we ensure that when they're launching those smart contracts, they're actually secured. Because that's another problem that we saw.
Yes, that
very
is
important.
A big problem with Ethereum. Yes.
Yeah.
And you're able actually to create dApps that connect into the molecular ledger, right?
Exactly. So not only are we going to have that, we're going to have the dApps. We also have ADM ecosystem. The ADM is an upgrade to the ATM machine. We did a provisional patent last year. We're now doing the patent. We hope that at the end of the year, we're going to have some of the ADMs in Puerto Rico. That's going to be our launching and testing grounds.
Great.
Because of the capital gains laws in Puerto Rico are favorable to what we're trying to do. And at the end of the day, it's going to be like an ATM type terminal, but it's going to connect to the IO coin to store customers' data and all the documentation within the IO coin. And we will use Chameleon as a payment mechanism within the ADM ecosystem.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, and Joel, why don't you tell us about the announcement that you're going to be making tomorrow?
Right. So tomorrow, everybody's going to find out from us. It will be a first time here in the conference where we are actually going to be announcing Chameleon. The big announcement is that Chameleon right now, and tomorrow they'll find out, is living, the white paper, scientific white paper, is actually living in the IO coin blockchain as a file. Document file. So our users are going to be able to download their wallet and download the white paper straight from the blockchain.
Excellent.
And that's a big one. You're not going to need IOC to download it. People can just download the free wallet and they're going to be able to make a call. It's going to be IOGET, and once you put that in, you'll be able to download the scientific white paper. We're doing it that way so that people can see the power of IO coin and its blockchain, and so that they can see how it all works.
Excellent. And if people want more information on IO Digital, how do they get it? Where do they go?
iodigital.io or iocoin.io. The IOCoin coin, it's in Bittrex. If you guys are interested on picking up a few of those IO coins, so you can check out Bittrex to get some IO coin.
Okay.
And in Asia is QIEX Exchange, QIEX Exchange.
Okay. All right, great, Joel. That's wonderful. This is Brandon from BTC Miami, signing off.
Thank you so much.